Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA in Orlando/Florida/Georgia based Social Security Disability law firm. We're representing a lot of people all over the place, but it's mostly to the southeast of the United States. Let's go ahead and begin and get right to the question. What are the 10 different levels of disability representatives and why do they all get paid the same amount? Now we're on number 4, Certified Disability Advocate. Okay, so a lot of you guys don't realize this, but there are these certifications that non-legal people can go ahead and have to go ahead and certify that they are disability advocates. Most of them are a day or 2-day certification process systems, kind of like SOAR. And what they do is they help to teach a general broad brush of how the Social Security disability system works. On the very light end, they don't even learn about the 5 steps of control process. On a more in detail oriented end, they don't learn really, they learn about the basics, and then from there it's kind of, you have to learn on the job sort of spiel. So, but remember, this is not a legal individual. We are still part of the whole non-legal representatives group. These are all people that don't know how to write briefs. These are all people who don't know how to, utilize the high tech or the HIPAA law and how to battle things at a higher level. You're never going to see, let me repeat that, you are never going to see one of these individuals represent you at district court for Social Security disability benefits because it is illegal for them to try and do that. So what are they? They're people who on the regular file people for Social Security disability benefits. You usually don't see them with their own company anymore. That's pretty much died out. All that's left of them are those individuals who basically were doing it back in the day. They, for the most part, got assimilated into a law firm, and the law firm will go ahead and just send them off to, hearings to basically represent clients, and then the law firm won't tell the client that they're being sent there with a non-attorney to go ahead and represent them, which is scary, and it's one of the skeezy things some of these law firms do. There's a couple of them in Orlando that do that, and when they find out that the person that's representing them before the administrative law judge, who's also an attorney, is not actually a Social Security disability attorney, they get ripping pissed. And that's because they feel frauded and misled because they hired a law firm and they expect to have an attorney. That makes sense, right? Otherwise, why would you hire in a law firm? Now, why do they all get paid the same? Because by statute, it's 25% up to $6K up to the ALJ level. You get to appeals council level. They remove the $6K limitation. So it's all by statute. So that's why all these different people get paid basically 25% up to $6K. That's why everybody gets paid the same amount. So if you're gonna hire somebody and they all get paid the same amount, hire the best person. Don't hire the caseworker. Don't hire the friend, the family member, the disability advocate. Don't hire that stuff. Get yourself an attorney that does this all day long. All right? I mean, that's what I would do. That's what the average person would do. Yada yada. All right. My name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. If you have a unique question or you want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email or give me a call, and we will go from there. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.